Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, wondering how people seem to create wealth effortlessly? Here's the truth: building wealth isn't magic. It's about using proven strategies that anyone, including you, can follow. Today, I'm breaking down 5 wealth-building strategies you need to know to change your financial future. Let's dive in. Building wealth doesn't mean winning the lottery or inheriting millions. It's about applying the right habits, making smart financial decisions, and staying consistent. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up, these strategies are being used by millionaires, and they work. Stick around till the end because number 4 is a game changer that many people overlook. 1. Invest in yourself. The first step to building wealth starts with you. Investing in yourself means gaining skills, knowledge, and experience that can boost your income potential. Whether it's learning high-demand skills like coding, digital marketing, or even sales, continuous education pays off. Fact: studies show that people who consistently upskill increase their income by 20–30% over their lifetime. So, grab a book, take that online course, and invest in you. 2. Master your budget and save strategically. You can't build wealth without understanding where your money is going. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Here's a quick tip. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Bonus: automate your savings. Apps like Mint or YNAB can make this effortless. The goal? Save before you spend, not the other way around. 3. Build multiple income streams. Millionaires don't rely on one income stream. According to studies, most have at least 7 streams of income. Start small. Launch a side hustle, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or rent out that extra room on Airbnb. For example, platforms like Fiverr or Upwork allow you to monetize your skills while generating passive income from stocks or real estate can work for you over time. The key? Diversify and build income streams that continue to grow. 4. Leverage the power of investing. One of the most powerful wealth-building tools is investing, especially through the power of compound interest. Did you know that investing just $200 a month in an S&P 500 index fund at 8% annual returns could grow to over $500,000 in 30 years? Start investing early, take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks or Roth IRAs, and let your money work for you. Focus on long-term wealth, not quick wins. Here's the truth: wealth isn't built overnight. Ignore those get-rich-quick scams you see online. Instead, focus on sustainable strategies like long-term investing, building businesses, and improving your skill set. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. Stay consistent, patient, and focused, and the results will come. Bonus tip: surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you financially. Join communities, follow successful investors, and learn from those who've walked the path before you. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more actionable financial tips. Drop a comment below sharing which strategy you're going to start with today. Building wealth is possible for anyone. You just need the right mindset, strategies, and consistency. Start today, and your future self will thank you.